हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू गो हैश गुलबर्गा। गुलबर्गा शहर एजुकेशन हब के लिए जाना जाता है और इस बात को फिर साबित कर दिया एक और स्कूल के आने से। जी इस बार स्कूल जो आ रहा है वो है माउंट लिटरा जी स्कूल, जो कि जी लर्न की पेशकश है। इंडियाज़ नंबर 1 स्कूल चेन इज़ नाउ इन गुलबर्गा। हिंदुस्तान भर में उन्होंने 125 स्कूल्स ऑलरेडी खोल रखे हैं और गुलबर्गा में उनका 130th ब्रांच खुल रहा है। स्कूल का एड्रेस है बिहाइंड हाई कोर्ट बिसाइड काशी कमल अपार्टमेंट्स, अफजलपुर रोड, गुलबर्गा। हमारी इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बात हुई स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट के साथ, जहां पर उन्होंने बताया कि स्कूल के विजन्स क्या हैं और क्या अलग करता है जी लर्न के ये स्कूल को दूसरे स्कूल से। आइए देखते हैं।
My name is Sudhakar. I am from Z-Learn. I am the cluster head for South and West of India, and I handle the schools of Mount Litra Z schools. I welcome you to the launch of Mount Litra Z School in Kalburgi. As you all know, Z-Learn is a education company based out of India, which is a leading education company in India. We have right from preschool to vocational classes that we conduct. And in that stream, Mount Litra Z School is the K-12 school brand of Z-Learn. The objective of Z-Learn is to take good education to every part of the country and make good education affordable to all children. Basically, the difference that we provide in terms of education, in terms of academics, pedagogy, but we also focus on extracurricular and sports activities for children. We also have a lot of technology-based learning, which is called immersive learning. We have virtual labs, we have e-content, basically videos and activities which are online and internet-based. So the idea is to make learning as immersive and interactive as possible, which is what we want to do for every children here.
I'm Prabhat Ranjan, Key Account Manager for Mount Litra Z School, South India. We welcome you all to this press launch of Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi. To talk about Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi, Z-Learn's philosophy in terms of Mount Litra Z School is to do what is right for the child, and that's what we are going to do it in Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi. So Mount Litra Z School, Kalburgi, if we talk in terms of academics, we have different labs in terms of maths lab, language lab, science lab, robotics lab and computer labs. And talking about in terms of extracurricular activities, we have a program which will be going to be launched in Kalburgi in terms of digital citizenship program, where we are going to teach children how to handle information technology in the right way in this era of 21st century. Then we have financial literacy program, where we are going to teach children from 5th standard onward to make them aware about the finance sector. Then we have something called as Sanskar program, where we are going to talk about the moral values. We have done a study of Gulbarga market, and we come across that parent over here, they want safety, security of their child. That's the first and the foremost thing people over here has this concern. Now when we talk about safety, security, it's not only in terms of their physical and the mental safety, security, but also in terms of how secure their career is going to be if they're going to put their child in Mount Litra Z School. So when we talk about apart from physical and mental security, our campus, which is 4-acre lush green campus, our infrastructure, our extracurricular activity, this all come together to ensure and make parent assured that we are going to take care of that.
Today, if I have to ask a child where carrot grows, I don't think 90% of children know where carrots grow. I mean, this is a fact. This has actually happened. A child was asked where we get milk from, and he said we get it from the supermarket. We don't know where we get milk from. So, I mean, that is a disconnect that we have. So, what we are trying to do here, and all kudos to the management of Premises Kalburgi, that they have taken up this particular thing as a theme for which we needed space, which is why we chose this location. Z-Learn का मकसद ये है कि अच्छे एजुकेशन को हर गांव में, हर शहर में लेके जाएं और ऐसा एजुकेशन दे कि सब बच्चों को एक सॉलिड फाउंडेशन मिले। तो इस मकसद के साथ हम कलबुर्गी में माउंट लिट्रा जी स्कूल खोल रहे हैं। बच्चे ठीक तरीके से सीखें और जब कल एक करियर बनाने का जब एक मौका आए तो सबसे आगे रहे और काबिल बने। यही एक मकसद है माउंट लिट्रा जी स्कूल कलबुर्गी में।
माउंट लिट्रा जी स्कूल Admissions open from nursery to grade 5, CBSE syllabus. For admissions, call 8095581111 or 8095582222. You can also visit zschoolkalaburgi.com.